चिंकी सिस्टर, कैसी हो? मैं ठीक हूँ। सिस्टर, आप मुझे फैमिली नर्सिंग असेसमेंट के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे क्या? क्योंकि कल से हमारी कम्युनिटी पोस्टिंग है और मुझे कुछ नहीं आता। हाँ जरूर, क्यों नहीं। सिस्टर, ये हेल्थ असेसमेंट क्या है? हेल्थ असेसमेंट में हमें समुदाय में रहने वाले लोगों, परिवार के सदस्यों से संबंधित व्यक्तियों की शारीरिक, मानसिक, सामाजिक जरूरतें, संचारी रोग, पर्यावरण की स्वच्छता, इन सब की जानकारी प्राप्त करना, वर्तमान और भविष्य के रोगों की देखभाल की जरूरतों की पहचान करने के लिए नर्सिंग असेसमेंट किया जाता है। नर्सिंग असेसमेंट में कौन कौन सी जानकारियाँ प्राप्त करनी पड़ती हैं? नर्सिंग असेसमेंट में ये सब जानकारियाँ प्राप्त करनी पड़ती है, जैसे कि उस व्यक्ति के स्वास्थ्य की चिंता या शिकायत, दर्द या शरीर क्षेत्र से संबंधित अन्य लक्षण, स्वास्थ्य चिंता या शिकायतों का कारण, मानसिक चिंता, अतीत में कौन से उपचार आजमाए गए थे या चल रहे थे, बच्चों तथा किशोरी की संवेदन समस्याएं, स्वभाव में व्याधि तथा बचपन व किशोरावस्था में होने वाली व्याधियों में शैक्षणिक समस्याएं, बच्चों में व्यवहारिक व्याधियाँ तथा घर के आजू बाजू का परिसर, हवा और पानी का दूषित होना तथा सैनिटेशन की फैसिलिटी वहाँ इनएडिक्वेट है या नहीं, ये सारी जानकारियाँ हमें प्राप्त करनी पड़ती है। जानकारी प्राप्त करने से हमें क्या होता है? जानकारी प्राप्त करने से हमें उनके स्वास्थ्य और उनकी परेशानियों के बारे में पता चलता है और हम फिर उसके द्वारा नर्सिंग केयर उसे दे सकते हैं। यदि असेसमेंट के बारे में तुम्हें और कुछ जानकारी चाहिए तो जैसे कि उसके पर्पसेस क्या है, उसकी कौन कौन सी विधियाँ हैं, मेथड्स है, कौन कौन सी कंपोनेंट्स है, ये तुम्हें मैं एक क्लास के द्वारा बताती हूँ। चलो क्लास में चलते हैं। हाँ जरूर, चलो क्लास में चलते हैं।
Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach about community health nursing subject. The topic is family health assessment. Assessment is the first step to determine the health status. The family health assessment is an important tool in formulating care plan for individual's family. It is a process of getting information and gathering data about family health status for promotion of health and prevention of disease. Through the assessment, the nurses are able to make a nursing care plan for providing comprehensive nursing care to individuals' family. It is also helpful for providing nursing quality care to make a clear picture of person's health status. Now we will see the definition of health assessment. Definition: Nursing assessment is a continuous, systematic, critical, orderly analyzing and interpreting information about physical, psychological, social needs of person, the nature of self-care deficit, other factor influencing condition and care. There are so many purposes of health assessment. So number one, to gather information regarding client's health. Second is to determine client's normal function. Number 3, to organize the collected information. Number 4 is to enhance investigation of nursing problems. Number 5, to frame nursing diagnosis. Number 6, identify the health problems. Number 7 is to identify client's strength. Next, number 8 is to identify need for health teaching. Next, we will see the method of data collection. Number 1 is the observation. Number 2 is the interview. Number 3 is the discussion method. First is the observation. The community health nurse must be good observer during home visit. Collection of information by observation gives realistic situation of health practice. Observation of home environment and living condition will help to assess the general condition. It is important to get acquainted with family or environment along with patient. Many things can be learned by observation. Example, family, how mother hold the infant, the feeding technique, and how safe the environment is for child to prevent from hazards, and the cooking method for food hygiene can only be done by home visiting and observation. The second is interviewing. Interviewing is face-to-face conversation with a person. It is a method of securing information such as fact, opinion, and personal history. It helps individual to recognize and understanding their own problem. Through this process, an individual can mutually clarify feelings, attitude, and meaningful information. The home is a suitable place for the community health nursing to interview the client because the client should feel more comfortable and relaxed in her own environment. The next is the discussion method. The discussion stands for discussion held with a group. It means interchanging of ideas between people or individual and nurse. It is planned and organized by the nurse for achieving goal. Next, we will see the components of health assessment. There are two main components. Number one, history taking, and number two is the physical examination. In physical examination, number one, inspection, number two, palpation, number three, percussion, number four, auscultation and observation of general appearance. First, we will see taking history. Taking history is essential to know about the faith and fear of patients, his attitude towards health to get the pre-treatment description and for the treatment itself. History taking is the tool of collecting information about the person, his family, socio-economic background, nutrition, previous disease, accident and present illness, etc. Then number two is the physical examination. The physical examination, it is a process by which examine the patient's body part for sign or clues of disease. It is a systemic data collection method, observational skill to detect the health problem. The physical examination include following method. Number one is inspection, number two palpation, number three percussion, number four auscultation, and fifth is observation of general appearance. First is inspection. The close and careful visualization of the person and of each body system. It is the use of vision and hearing to distinguish normal from abnormal finding. Inspection provides an overall impression of the client's present state of health and when immediate intervention are indicated. For example, rashes, color changes, edema, etc. Then palpation. Palpation is the second technique using fingers and hands to touch. Light palpation first, then deep palpation. The nurse uses fingertips and palms to determine the size, shape and pulsation of blood vessel. It is also help to detect the outline of organ such as thyroid, spleen or liver and mobility of masses. It is also to detect body temperature, moisture, thickness and distension. Then third is the percussion. Percussion is the technique in which one or both hands are used to strike the body surface to produce a sound called as percussion. The character of the sound determines the location, size and density of underlying structure to verify abnormalities. An abnormal sound suggests a mass or substance like air, fluid in an organ or cavity. Then next is the auscultation. Auscultation, it involves listening to sound with the help of stethoscope. Various body systems like cardiovascular, respiratory and gastrointestinal have characterized sound. Bowel, breath, heart and blood movements sound are heard using the stethoscope. It is important to know the normal sound to distinguish from abnormal. Next is observation of general appearance. Observation of general appearance in that overall appearance of health or illness, sign of distress, facial expression and mood, body size, grooming and personal hygiene, and also color and texture. Following points should be included in physical examination for health assessment. Number 1 is measuring weight and height, taking temperature, pulse, respiration, blood pressure, and pulse oximetry. Examine physical and mental development. We have learned about the health assessment. In that, the definition of health assessment, what are the purposes of health assessment, the method of health assessment. There are three methods of health assessment. Number 1, observation. Number 2, interview. Number 3 is the discussion method. Then the components of health assessment. There are two main components of health assessment. Number 1 is the history taking and number 2 is the physical examination. In physical examination, including inspection, palpation, auscultation, percussion, and observation of general appearance. So, this is all about health assessment. Thank you.